A pleasant day to everyone. Today I will be explaining on how to use Microsoft Forms to create online quiz. So to start with, in my browser, I will type in office.com and will sign in my Microsoft account. So this is my DepEd Microsoft account, Office 365 account. And then if we're going to see this interface of office.com, we will see the different tools and applications of Microsoft. Ito po ang Microsoft Forms. Diyan po tayo gagawa ng ating online quiz. If we're going to click the Microsoft Forms, there will be two options, the new form and the new quiz. For the new form, pwede po tayong gumawa ng survey dyan, ng feedback, and even the online enrollment. Ito po yung new quiz. Yan po yung gagawin natin for our students. So, ang una po niyang hihingin ay yung title ng ating quiz. So, let's say, subject, verb, agreements. For the description, we can have here the direction. So, let's say, choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. Okay, now, we are going to add new. Dito na po tayo maglalagay ng ating question. So, there are different options, choice, text, rating, date, and the other options in the drop-down arrow. So, for the first question, I will choose the text. Pero here, ilalagay ko yung name of the student. So, of course, it should be required. Dapat lahat ng bata ilalagay yung kanilang pangalan. And then, let's add new. This time, I will choose choice. Dito na po ako magta-type ng first question ko. Father, blank, the children are not allowed to play outside because of COVID-19. So, options po, nandito po natin ilalagay yung choices nila. For option 1, says. For option 2, say. We have to click the correct answer. So, for this question, the correct answer here is says. So, kailangan naka-click siya. Then, of course, required. Here, we can give the allotted point for each number. So, let's say, ang number 2, dapat meron siyang 1 point only. So, ilalagay po natin yung corresponding point for each number. And then, add new, choice again. And then, let's type our next question. Mother, blank me, that schools, malls, and parks are closed. Okay. And then, let's type our option. Option 1, tell. And then for option 2, tells. So, again, we're going to click the correct answer. For this question, the correct answer is tells. So, again, this is required. Then, I want to give another 1 point for this question. And then, for number 3 question, I am going to choose choice again. And will type my next question. My siblings, blank, me, how to wash my hands properly. For option 1, teach. And then for option 2, teaches. So the correct answer here is teach. So again, required and add new. If we're going to point the arrow here, may lalabas na icon. That is insert media, meaning to say we can insert image or video. So I am going to click image. So we can pull image from browser, from OneDrive, or to our file, to our own device. So if I'm going to click upload, and I'm going to choose this one and then open, meron na pong image na lalabas dun sa ating question number 4. So we can add images for each number, for each item. Pwede rin namang wala. Tapos pwede rin mag-add ng video. Okay, so let's now preview our quiz. So we have two options here, computer view, ito po yan, pag desktop or laptop ang gamit ng bata, and we also have the mobile view kapag cellphone ang gamit ng bata. Ayan po ang itsura. So let's say I'm going to type in my answers here. Name of student, Erly. So let's say my answer for number 1 is Ses, for number 2 is Tel, and for question number 3 is Teach. And then I'm going to click Submit. So meron akong hindi na-click. So let's say Tels or Tel. Ayaw. Okay. And then click Submit. After that, the students can view the result already right after they submitted their response. So, ako ay nakakuha ng 2 points over 3 at makikita ko dito kung saan ako tumama at saan ako nagmali. So, this is for number 2 ako na mali. Okay, if we're going to go back here, paano naman natin isi-share yung ating quiz sa ating students? Here, merong share. By default, makikita natin na only people in my organization can respond. Pero hindi natin yan i-click. We have to click anyone with this link can respond kasi not all students can have their Microsoft account. So, anyone with the link can respond. So, ito po, pwede rin nating ibigay yung QR code sa kanila, i-download at ipapakita sa batang QR code. Or pwede rin naman na isend natin ang question sa email. So, balik po tayo sa copy link. So, we're just going to copy the link and give the link to our students. Ayan na po. Let's say, nabigay ko na yung copy ng link sa students. Kunyari ako na po ang student na mag-a-answer ng survey. Ito po yung makikita ko. So, gusto ko kunyari, sasagot ako, pero dahil nga student na ako, my name now is John. Then, let's say number 2, ang sagot ko ay Ses. For number 3, ang sagot ko ay Tells. And for number 4, ang sagot ko ay Teach. And I will click Submit. Okay, so I can view now the results of my quiz. So, I got perfect scores. And, yan, wala akong mali. Pero as you can see, if you're going to point your cursor here, meron tayong parang speaker. If we're going to click that, lalabas po si Immersive Reader. Ano po si Immersive Reader? In Immersive Reader, siya po ang magbabasa ng nilagay mo sa iyong quiz.
Choose the correct verb to complete the sentence.
Okay. So, meron tayong mga text preferences. Ang bata, pwede siyang mamili if he or she wants small size o kaya malaking size ng text. Pwede rin siyang mamili ng font. Yan. We also have here the grammar options. Kapag syllables, makikita yung mga syllabication ng bawat word. And then, if the student want to see all the nouns in your quiz, i-click yan, nouns. So, lahat ng violet ay naka-click, ay nouns. So, direction, sentence, all of those are nouns. So, kapag gusto niya makita verb, ayan lang yung kanyang bubuksan. So, lahat ng red ay verbs. So, that is for the grammar options. We also have here the reading preference. Pwede buksan ng bata ang picture dictionary and translate it into Filipino. Maraming pwedeng translation dyan. Pero since nasa Philippines tayo, ang translation ay Filipino at it can be translated by word. So, ano po itsura niya? So, if the students will click this subject, lalabas yung speaker,
subject,
at yung translation sa Filipino, paksa, at yung kanyang picture dictionary. Ano ang itsura ng subject? If the student will click this agreement, pag kinlik niya yung speaker,
agreement,
yan, and then the translation in Filipino is kasunduan at yung dalawang kamay as the picture dictionary. So that is the Immersive Reader. Yan po ang maganda kay Microsoft Forms. Here, meron pang another option. Pwede pong bilisan ang voice. That's right.
agreement. Directions, choose the correct verb to complete.
Okay. Pwede rin namang mabagal lang. Pwedeng piliin ng babae ang male voice.
Complete the sentence.
Okay. So that is the
Subject, verb, agreement.
immersive reader. Lahat po ng nilagay natin sa ating quiz ay kayang basahin ni immersive reader. Ayan po. Oh. So, pwede niyang basahin. Okay, let's go back now to our Let's go back now. Dito pala siya. To our questions now. So, ito yung questions natin. So, paano naman natin makikita yung responses ng mga bata? So, here in response, nakita natin na may 2 responses na. Yung una, yung tinry ko as preview, then yung pangalawa, yung si Jan na ang sumagot. So, if we're going to click the responses, ayan po yun. So, latest responses kay Jan and kay Erly. Lumabas po. So, if we're going to click this post scores, makikita natin yung percent ng itinama ng kanilang response. So, respondent 1, hindi makikita yung pangalan kasi nga po wala pong Microsoft account si bata. Kaya po mahalaga na sa first question, name ng bata ang ilalagay. So, if we're going to click that preview, makikita naman natin na si Jan ang sumagot. Of course, the students should have put his or her complete name. Okay, then after that, we can also see the responses in Excel file. So, pwede natin siyang i-save, pwede natin siyang i-open. Pero medyo matagal to kasi nagsisecurity scan siya. So, ganyan po yung sa responses ng Microsoft Forms. So, pwede po natin siyang i-save as Excel file or i-save or i-open as Excel file. Pati po yung yung graph niya ay pinapakita. Okay, so hindi pa po nagbubukas yung Excel. Wait lang po natin siya saglit. And while waiting for the Excel, another thing is we can also adjust the theme. Yan, pwede rin po natin i-adjust yung theme ng ating Christmas, So, let's say I am going to choose this one. So, pwede tayong mamili. Pwede rin naman tayong mag-upload ng image sa ating sariling device. So, ito na po yung example ng response na dinownload natin from the Microsoft Forms. Makikita natin dyan yung mga response ng bata. So, ito po si Erly, ito po si Jan. Okay, so that's all for Microsoft Forms, creating quiz using Microsoft Forms. So, thank you so much and God bless.